Entebe Kasese egenderire kutandika okwezi okutuurekyerire okwakana 2010 omwaka ogwo ey'okusereka abaana emirundi erikwingana okutandikira ha myezi 6, emyezi 7, emyezi 8 n'emyezi 16. Okurugyerera Richard Mugahi ogu n'omwe ha beebembezi ab'ebyokuzarwa kw'abaana n'okukura kwabo ministry y'ebyamagara n'ahamusiriza omugasho oguri omukukozesa ab'ebembezi b'ebyenzarwa omukwebembera Ahahururu nkezi.
The cultural leaders are very important in our community strategy because they are part of the community stakeholders that we work with to introduce or to improve demand of health services. A number of health services are affected by the cultural beliefs. So when you work with cultural leaders, when you sensitize them and they are aware, they are able to take this information to the grassroots or the community people where they live.
Okurugyerera ahari ministry ey'ebyamagara Uganda neija kuba neetera omubazi ogurikusiruka oburwaire bw'omushwaija ogwa R21 matrix emo omu baana okutandikana n'okwakana omwaka ogwo okutandikira omu district ezirimu okweyongyera kw'omushwaija nyamwingi omu baana okutandikira aha myezi 6 kuhisa myezi 24 okutandikana n'ishatu aha myezi 6 na 7 n'emyezi 8 kandi bahebwe n'omubazi ogurikwongyera emibiri yabo amaani aha myezi 18.
The vaccine we have is not enough, so we had to rationalize and see what age group is mostly affected. So how we came to 6 to 18 months, this is the age group that actually predominantly has low immunity. They have low immunity, they've not received any infection of malaria, so their immunity is low. Malaria is a funny disease. When you get an infection of malaria, your immunity to malaria improves. So that's why you see people who come from outside countries, they get malaria here, within no time it becomes complicated.
District ya Kasese mwebembezi wayo ahabwe byamagara Dr. Amoni Bwambare yahamza abazaire ngu omubazi n'umurungi tugwine kabikona abwebyo ebbe bitwire nebiteekateekwa abazaire ngu nigubasa kuba gwina kabi nk'ogwo ogubabire nibateekateeka oguri kusereka obulwaire obwa COVID-19.
There are still people in the communities who refuse to be vaccinated. You remember during the COVID era, people were talking about, government wants to kill your children, you are going to receive these doses, you are going to make your children imported, very many things about vaccines. And I want to state it clearly that there is no government that will have intentions to kill its own children. Sincerely, it's not there.
Nagaruka shoborra ngu omubazi ogu gwinemu obuzibu buke oburukwija akurugyerera aha mibazi endiijo yoona erikusirikibwa aha baana bakiri bato konka yahamya ngu abaana bashemereire kusigara nibabyamisibwa ahansi y'obutimba bw'ensiri n'okugumizamu okukora byona ebirikwetengesa okwehara oburwaire obu okukwata abaana arikushoborra ngu okubasereka kwonka tikirikumara kubarinda aha mushwaija gw'ensiri. Yagumizamu okuhamiza abantu ba butosha ngu bashemereire okumanyisana hamwe n'okubaho kw'okushomesebwa kwabo abikwatina n'okwerinda okujanjara kw'oburwaire bw'omushwaija kandi n'okwesirikisa.
People have the mosquito nets but they don't use them, and that even with the efforts government puts across, you think you are giving people nets and you are comfortable, they have slept under them. The utilization is as low as 37%, and that will still bring malaria up because people are using mosquito nets for, you see what they do? They use them as ropes to tie their ghosts, they use them as structures around chicken houses, poultry houses, they use mosquito nets, sometimes others I'm told they go and use them in lakes to fish.
Ori omuhwezi w'enganzi y'obugabe bwa Rwenzururu arikumanywa nka Biratazare Kure Benson yashoborra ngu nk'abeebembezi nibaija kutwara amakuru aga omu bantu ba butosha barukukozesa obudaara butari bumwe na bumwe kandi yahabura ngu abeebembezi ab'ebyenzarwa omukuhayo obutumwa bwabo bashemereire n'okuteekaho engingo n'enyomyo 5 ez'obugabe bwa Rwenzururu obusinge obumwe okugarukana hamwe n'enkurakurana n'okuhindura emiteekateekere y'abantu.
Let's go and tell people to change their mindset towards the vaccination, and therefore they become positive and ensure that they get vaccination.
Amakuru aga gakushakirwa Alinaitwe Godwin Bwambare Kasese ahabwa Tayari West amakuru ag'enshonga.